In this tutorial, you will learn how to find peer-reviewed articles for your research paper. We will begin by learning what these types of articles are. We will then use Primo to search for them and locate peer-reviewed journal articles. So you've decided on a topic for your research. If not, check out our tutorial on finding a topic. Your instructor says that you need peer-reviewed articles for the paper, but you're not sure what they are. Peer-reviewed articles are articles written by experts in the field, not journalists, and they are writing about their research. The articles are then submitted and reviewed by other experts in the field for content, research practices, and more. It's like quality control for academic writing. So you now know what a peer-reviewed journal article is. You can't find these with Google. There are a variety of ways to find them, and Primo is one. Primo is the system that OCOM uses to search the catalog for books, DVDs, and more. But it can also be used to find these journal articles. You find Primo at the library's homepage. So here we are at the library homepage. As you can see here, the white search bar says Search Primo for books, articles, and more. We will type in our search. My search only returned 7 results. And if I scroll down, I see that they are all books, but I need articles. Here, the search scope says that we are searching OCOM plus Paul. Paul is our group of libraries that we share with in the area. The drop-down menu, you can see that you can also search for just materials at OCOM Library, or you can search for OCOM and Paul and articles. I need articles. And now I have over 2,000 results. All of them on this page are articles. But not all articles are peer-reviewed. On the left side of the screen, we are able to filter our results, and one of these choices is peer-reviewed. By clicking this, we will only retrieve peer-reviewed articles. And now you see I have just over 1,000 results, all of them being peer-reviewed journal articles. The first one here looks pretty good. It says full text available. I will click on that. That means I'm able to get the entire article, not just the abstract or a portion of the article. The article is available through any of these databases that OCOM subscribes to. Any of them will get you to the same article. By signing in with your OCOM library card, you are able to access the full text. So you now have peer-reviewed journal articles. In this tutorial, we learned what a peer-reviewed journal article is, we learned how to use Primo to search for them, and we located over 1,000 peer-reviewed articles for my research. If you still need help, please email the librarian or stop by the library.